In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Alienware monitor no sound. Now usually with Alienware, they don't come in with a built-in speaker, but what you can do is to simply navigate through the back of your monitor, which will then look something similar to this one. Of course, they have a lot of different models, but what you want to look for is the audio jack right here. You want to plug in your audio input on the monitor itself, and from there you then want to choose the output on the system playback. So in my case, it's plugged into my monitor, which is going to be the 24E3 right here. Now to confirm that, I'll just head over to my display settings, and basically from here you will be able to see that I have that monitor right here, which my earphones is currently plugged into. Now after plugging in your earphones, selecting your audio right here, which is going to be the Alienware monitor, you then want to make sure to navigate through the Alienware monitor system setting itself, click on audio, and then you want to make sure that it's set to anything above 10, because below that it's basically muted, or it's basically silence. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.